Hello dear all. So we are continuing with the job order costing, and today is the last tutorial of it. So for this we are going to take up this example in which we are given with completed jobs data and the work in progress also. So in this, how to solve this sort of a question, what things we are told are that raw material for the year. Now, one thing let me make clear. Earlier, we did one example of covering only one job. But in this, we are given with that, let's say an X Limited has executed these all jobs during the year. तो उसका इकट्ठा combined में डाटा दे दिया है कि कितनी अभी वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है, मतलब अभी कितनी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है और कितनी कंप्लीट हो गई हैं, उन सब का डाटा. एंड दे वांट टू नो अबाउट द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस ऑन दिस जॉब्स. तो कैसे करना है? Raw material is given, wages are given, and then we are given that materials transfer to work in progress means from completed jobs. When these are completed, then the year material might have been transferred to the work in progress to this thing. Then how much material was returned to store from the job, that is a given. The absorption rates of the overheads are given, and then the value of job executed during the year means कितने ख़त्म करके कस्टमर्स से पैसे रिसीव कर लिए, दैट इज़ 4,10,000. So we have to prepare a consolidated completed job account and we have to prepare a consolidated work in progress account. So keeping these things, let me show you how we will be preparing. So firstly, the completed jobs which are given, so I will be preparing the consolidated completed jobs account. So as earlier I told you कि all the expenses on debit and all what is received from the customer, that on the credit. So similarly we have to proceed. So particulars, amount, again particulars and the amount part. So over here whatever is received, तो कितनी वैल्यू के हमें रिसीव हो चुके हैं, दैट इज़ 4,10,000. तो किससे मिले हैं? कस्टमर से. सो आई विल बी राइटिंग बाय कस्टमर्स अकाउंट. किस कारण मिले हैं? बिकॉज दीज आर द जॉब्स विच आर कंप्लीटेड. उनके पैसे आए हैं हमारे पास. कितने आए हैं? 4,10,000. नाउ ऑल द अदर एक्सपेंसेस जो भी इनकर हुए हैं, दैट वी आर रेडी टू राइट ओवर हेयर. सो फर्स्ट में हमारे पास क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन. वी आर गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द मटीरियल. तो हाउ मच मटीरियल इज देयर? 1 lakh. तो मटीरियल्स 1 lakh. बिकॉज मटेरियल में कुछ आना जाना भी है, तो आई विल बी राइटिंग ओवर हेयर वर्किंग नोट 1. और मटेरियल को वर्किंग नोट 1 में हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे वर्किंग नोट 1. तो मटेरियल में सबसे पहले आ गया मटेरियल्स. कौन से? जो हमें स्टोर से हमने इशू कराए या मटेरियल्स वी रिसीव्ड, दैट इज़ 1 lakh. उस मटेरियल में हमने मटेरियल ट्रांसफ़र किया था वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस को. कितने का? 2,000 का. तो जो चला गया उसे क्या करेंगे? माइनस. तो मटेरियल माइनस ट्रांसफर्ड टू वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. कितने का ट्रांसफ़र किया हमने? 2,000 का. तो विल बी राइटिंग 2,000 माइनस कर देना. फिर मटेरियल हमने कुछ स्टोर में भी रिटर्न कर दिया, दैट ऑल्सो वी विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो माइनस द material which is transferred, or we can say better is returned to stores. So how much value did we return to the store? We returned to store of rupees 1,000. So 1,000 I'll be writing it over here. So from 1 lakh I am subtracting 3,000. So how much is left? We are going to write this figure 97,000 over here. Then the next is, as we do in cost sheet. So the similar way to material then to wages. How much wages are given in the question? Wages are also given 1 lakh. You can see wages are 1 lakh. So 1 lakh wages. Now factory overheads, they were a percentage 80% of wages. So to factory overheads. Now I should better write working note 2, and working note 2 we will be solving. So what are the factory overhead? Factory overheads are 80% of wages, and wages in this case were 1 lakh. Wages are 1 lakh. So 80% of 1 lakh comes out to be 80,000. So I'll be writing this 80,000 over here. Now the next overheads which we have to take, they are which one? They are to administration overhead. So to administration overheads. Now they are how much? They are given that they are 25% of the factory cost. So again working note 3, better is this way only. So I'll be preparing it over here. Working note 3. In exams we are not supposed to do it over here because I want to show you the question and the solution, the whole part. So that's why I'm writing it over here, but you will be shifting your page and writing the working note 3 on the next part, on the next page. So it is saying that administration overheads are 25% of factory cost. So firstly, let us find out what is factory cost. It is material plus wages plus factory overheads. So how much are the material? 97,000. Then 1 lakh is the wages, and then how much is the factory overhead? That is 80,000. So over here 80,000. So we will be totaling it up. It is 2,77,000. So 25% of 2,77,000 we will be calculating, and this is 69,250. So this figure I'll be putting it over here, 69,250. So now all the things we have posted, nothing is left, all the things we have done. So now we'll be doing the balancing part. So when we do the balancing part, we have to check whether it is a profit or loss. So over here we have done these totals. So over here some balance is left, 63,000. So this is the net profit, and it will be transferred to P&L account. Added been loss, so we would have written it over on the next side. So 4,10,000. Now we are also to prepare a consolidated work in progress account. Now consolidated work in progress account, I'll be making it over here only. It is also going to be made on the similar lines, the debit side for expenses, but the credit side over here will show that the work is not yet completed. So it will be always showing balance carried down figure only. Remember, on this side we'll be having just balance carried down, nothing else is to be written. So over here we also start with 2 material, 2 wages as we did earlier. So material, how much material? You can have a look. Materials are 34,000. And one thing, these are 34,000 and 2,000 came from this side to this side. So 34,000 and 2,000 is to be added, क्योंकि वो इधर से आया है जॉब्स की तरफ से. Materials were transferred from job to work in progress. 34 and 2 comes out to be 36,000. I'm writing 36,000 over here. 36,000. Then the wages are how much? Wages are 40,000. So we put 40,000. Now then the next one again, factory overheads are 80% of wages. So you can go to the working notes and prepare. Now I will not change the page, so that's why it is written that how much of 80% of wages. So 80% of 40,000. We are going to have 32,000 over here, and then two administration overheads. Now the administration overheads are 25% of the factory cost. Again, factory cost, how that comes? This material, wages and factory overheads are added. So if I go for the working notes, so material, wages and factory overheads added 36,000, 40,000 and 32,000. It is going to give us 1,08,000. So 1,08,000, 25%. So this is coming out to be nearly 27,000. So this is 27,000. This 27,000 figure I am going to write it over here. So I told you earlier that there is going to be balance carried down only because ये show कर रहा है कि काम अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, काम अभी चल रहा है, because it is still in progress. So ये सबका टोटल करना और उसको carry down में दिखा देना. That is all. So with that, your job costing is over. Go for the reading of the chapter of your book. See the video tutorials again and you will be able to understand. So that's it. Take care. Have a good day.